Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are replacing a burnt out rear turn signal bulb on my 2010 Ford Escape. So if you notice that your turn signal on your dashboard is blinking faster than before, that basically means either your front or the rear turn signal is burnt out. For this job, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and the replacement bulb. The first step is to open the trunk to access the two Phillips head screws that's holding the tail light fixture. Remove the screws. So with the screws out, you will need to wiggle this and gently pull it out straight. So there are two retainers that's holding this taillight assembly. So you may need to wiggle it and just be gentle, do not force it. So after you remove the taillight fixture, this is the top one is the turn signal. So you will need to rotate this counterclockwise to remove it from your light fixture. And this is the burned out bulb. Just go ahead and pull this out. So next step is to get your new bulb. And just insert it in this housing. Rotate it clockwise. Okay, so to install the taillight assembly, you will need to align these two clips or studs with these two retainers. So make sure you align it properly and just gently tap it. Make sure everything is working and you're all set.